children. Sai Ram. Hope you all are good at your place. So, let's begin today's class. Now, we were on chapter Can You See the Pattern? We have started this chapter, and last time what we studied about the special numbers and special alphabets. This we have done, special numbers we have done. Now, today we'll do more questions like this. Now, first of all, what you have to do, it is question number 10. We'll continue the same chapter. Question number 10, some more number pattern. We'll study about some more number patterns. So, first is take any number. It is in your NCERT book. You can check it. Take any number. Now, multiply it by 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on at every step. Also, add plus 3 to it and at each step. Okay. Look at the differences in the answer. Is it the same or in every step? Now you have to do this one. See this one. Now here you have to multiply first 12 by 2, then add 3, what you get 27. Then 12 by 3, what you get 12 by 3, 12 is a 36, 36 plus 3, 39. Then 12 multiplied by 4, 48, 48 plus 3, 51. Similarly 12 multiplied by 5, 60, 60 plus 3, 63. 12 6 are 12 multiplied by 6, 12 6 are 72, 73, 74, 75. So what will come? 75. Similarly, you have to multiply by 12 by 8, then 12 by 9 and then add 3 to each and you will get the answer. Pause your videos and try to do this. Hope you all have done. So, have you got the same answer as written here? You can check it from here. When you will multiply 12 by 7, you will plus 3, you will get 87. When you will multiply 12 by 8, 12 8s are 96, 96 plus 3 it is 99. So 12 9s are 108, 108 plus 3 it is 111. So this is what, this is the some more, these are the some more patterns you can see. Okay. So in this what you have to do, you have to multiply by 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and then add 3 to each of the number. Now let's take the next one, next pattern. Now look at the number below. Look for the pattern. Can you take it forward? Now just look at these patterns very carefully and can you see any pattern here? And can you make the other patterns out of these? Just look at the patterns very carefully. Now let's do this one also. So in this one you can see first one is 9 minus 1. So 9 minus 1 is what? 8. And when we will divide, so divide sign is also there in between. So when we will divide this, so what will left? 8 divided by 8 will be how much? 8 ones are 8. So what's left? 1 will be left. As you can see, 1. Now similarly, see the second one, it is 98 minus 2 divided by 8. So 98 minus 2 is 96. And when we will divide 96 by 8, let's see the answer. 8 1 times 8, then it comes 1, then 16. So 8 2 times is 16. So what's the answer? What's the remainder? 16. So we have written the remainder here. It is 12. Now it is 12. Now similarly 987 minus 3. Okay, you will get 984. Okay, then it will be divided by 8, you will get the answer 123. Or you can do it like this. As you can see here, let's find out. This is a simple way that we are first subtracting, then dividing, and we are getting answer. But let's see how we can solve this very easily within few minutes. Like see here, first one is 9 minus 1, it is 8 and answer is 1. 98 minus 2 divided by 8, 1 and 2 is the answer. Then 987 divided minus 3 divided by 8, 1, 2, 3 is the answer. Similarly, 1, 2, 3 is the this question. Similarly, 9876, you can see 8, 7, 6 increasing in every step. minus 4. So what will come? 1, 2, 3, 4. What will be the this quotient? 1, 2, 3, 4. Similarly, in the next step, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5 minus 5. So what will come? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 5 only. Now in the next step, it will be 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4 minus 6, because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Subtraction is also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In the first step, we are subtracting 1. In the second step, we are subtracting 2. In the third step, we are subtracting 3. In this fourth step, 4. Fifth step, 5. In the sixth step, 6. And in the seventh step, we will subtract 7 divided by it. So what will come? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 will be the question. So let's see. Pause your videos and try to do this question. Now just check your answers. If you have done, just check your answers. Is it the same? Is it same like this? So you can see from here also, it is 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And similarly this way, this we have done. So this is the pattern in this case. Let's see the next one. It is smart adding. Now smartly you have to add these. Now let's see, if I'll say you add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So what will be your answer? It will be 55. Okay, you can do this also. If you will add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, you will get the answer 55. Now if you will add 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. What will be your answer? Your answer will be 155. Your answer will be 155. So fill here 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. Your answer will be 155. Now here in this next step, it is 21. This will be 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29 and 30. So what will be the addition of all these? Can you do the addition of these? If you will do, it will take time, but I'll tell you a trick with that. You can do it in within a minutes or seconds. Okay, now see very carefully. It is first one is 55, next one is 155. So next one, so what is the difference? 155 minus 55, what will be the answer? 100. Means between both the two lines, how much difference is there? Difference of 100 is there. So we will take the difference of 100 only. So it is 155. Next one will be 255. So sum of 21 to 30 is 255. Now 31 to 40, 32, 30, 34, 35, 36 and so on, it will be 355. Then next one 455. Now it is 555 and next one will be 655. You can write here 1, 2, 3, 4, this 41, 42, 43, 44, 40, 47, so on, 51, 52, 53, 54, so on, 61, 62, 63, 64 and so on. Okay, and when you will add, you will get the answers. So this is the solution of the previous question. 55, 155, 255 and so on. Okay, now let's see the next one. It is fun with odd numbers. Now we will do some fun with the odd numbers. You all know what are odd numbers? Odd numbers are those numbers which cannot be divided by 2, okay, or that does not come in the table of 2, that are odd numbers. First of all, we will see what are the odd numbers. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19, 21. So all these are the odd numbers. They don't come in the table of 2. So we have to take odd numbers and we'll do some tricks with them. So it is 1 plus 3. Both are the odd numbers. 1 plus 3 gives 4. And what is 4? 2 multiplied by 2 is 4. Now again odd number 1 plus 3 plus 5, 3 odd numbers 1, 2, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13 we have done. So 1 plus 3 is 4 and 2 into 2 is 4. Now 1 plus 3 plus 5 means 3 we are taking. 1 plus 3 plus 5 is 9 and 3 multiplied by 3 is 9. It is square of 3. We can 3 multiplied by 3 is 9. Now in the next step we will take 3, 5, 3, 1, 3, 5, 7. 1, 3, 5, 7 means 4 odd numbers we are taking and their sum is 16. So 16 is 4 multiplied by 4. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 we are taking one more odd number and their sum will be how much? Add them fast. Try to do this yourself. Try to do these 3 parts yourself. Pause the video and do it, and after that we'll check the answers also. Now your answer is this. Is your answer this? Okay, 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9 is equals to 25 and 25 is 5 multiplied by 5. Similarly, 1 plus 3, 3, 7, 9 plus 11 will be 36 and 36 is 6 multiplied by 6. Similarly, 1 plus 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13. We are taking all the odd numbers and their sum will be 49 and 7 multiplied by 7 is 49. You can see 2 multiplied by 2, 3 multiplied by 3, 4 multiplied by 4, 5 multiplied by 5, 6 multiplied by 6, 7 multiplied by 7. They are giving the answer of odd numbers collection. Sum of all odd numbers. Is it interesting or not? Hope it is. Now let's see the next one. Now time for the secret numbers. Okay, secret, they are hidden and you have to find them. What are the numbers? So two boys, Banno and Binod, are playing a game and they are giving clues and you have to find that which one is the number. Okay, so first clue is it is larger than half of 100. It is given that the number is larger than half of 100. So half of 100 is how much? Half of 100 is 50. So the number is greater than 50. So first clue is that the number is greater than 50. Number is greater, that number is greater than 50, or we can say it is greater than 50, half of 100. Okay, next is it is more than 6 tens and less than 7 tens. You know 7 tens, these ones digit and tens digit. So if I'll say ones and tens, so it is said that this tens place is larger than 6 and this tens place is also smaller than 7. So means it is the number is between 60 to 70. The number is between 60 to 70 because it is said that the tens place is larger than 60 and smaller than 70. So the number is between 60 to 70. Now what one more clue is given, the tens digit is one more than the ones digit. It is said that the tens digit is one more than the ones digit. So in the tens digit you can say 6 is 6 minus 1 we will do. So what's the answer? 5. Means the ones place is 5 and tens place is 6. One more clue is given, that together their sum is 11. So if we will add 6 plus 5, what we will get? 11. This is what your answer is. So our number is 65. You can see it is greater than half of 100. It is between 60 to 70. Yes or no? Its sum is also 11. So the secret number and the hidden number is 65. Now one more is there. Number surprise. Okay, surprise is for you and you have to find what's the surprise. Now let's see. Ask your friend to write down your age, add 5 to it. Okay, if your friend's age is 11, okay, your friend's age is 11 and you have to add 5 to this. So it will be how much? 16. It will come to be 16. Multiply the sum by 2. Now whatever the 16 multiplied by 2, what you will get? You will get 32. Subtract 10 from it. Now you will subtract 10 from how much? 32. You will get how much? 22. Now what next? Divide by 2. Now you have to divide 22 by 2. What you will get? You will get 11. So Is your friend surprised? Now see, it is 11 and your friend's age is also 11. Is it okay or not? See what we did. Let's see it once again. We have to assume age, that is 11. Then we have to, what we have to do, we have to multiply that, add 5 to it. We have to add 5 to it. After that we have to multiply the answer by 2, and then subtract 10 from that, and then after that we have to divide by 2. We will get the same answer that we were assuming. We will get the same number that we have assumed in the beginning. So this is what number surprise. Now this one, take a number. We have to take any number. As I have taken 2 in this case. You have to take a number, double it. Double it means multiply by the same. So 2 multiply by 2, 4. So you have to double it. Multiply by 2 means double. So when you will take any number, you can take 5 also, 6, any number you can take of your choice. Okay. So you have to double it, means multiply by 2. You will get the answer 4. Now multiply by 5. Now this 4 you have to multiply by 5. So 4 multiply by 5, that is 20. Now divide your answer by 10. Now on dividing 20 by 10, what we get? 2. So what you observe, the number we have taken in the beginning and at the last, at the means what the answer is, they are exactly same. Okay. Now let's do the next one also. See this one. Take any number, take a number. If you will take any number, you can take 3. Okay, we have taken 3. Take a number 3, double it. So 3 multiplied by 2 is 6. Now again double it. So 6 multiplied by 2 is 12. Now add the number you look first to the answer. Now 12 is the this answer, and the first number I have taken is 3. So I'll add these. So what I'll get? I'll get 15. So what I'll do? 12 plus 3 is equals to 15. Now again double it. Now again I have to double 15. So 15 multiplied by 2 is 30. Now it is said divide by 10. Now 30 divided by 10 is 3. So what's the magic here? You can see this number is 3 and this number is also 3. Means the answer and the first number that I have taken are same. So this is also magic square, magic one. So this, you can see in this case they have taken 4 and the answer will be same, 4 and 4 both the cases. Now look at the pattern of the number here and try to complete this pattern. Now here 1 multiplied by 1, 1. 11 multiplied by 11, it is 121. 111 multiplied by 111, you can see 12,321. Okay. Now see very carefully, 1, 1, then 2 will come in the center. It is, now it will come 1, 1, 1, 1 multiplied by 1, 1, 1, 1. What is the answer? 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1. First forward, then backward counting. Here also 1, 2, 3, then 2, 1, 1, 2, then 1. Okay. So this will be the answer. Final answer you can see. If you had doubt, you can see from here also. Now similarly you have to extend this series again. Okay. In the same way you have to extend the series. Hope you all understood all the things carefully. If you haven't understood, please go through the video once again. Till then, take care. Sai Ram.